Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool right here, and pretty much what this is a retractable keychain holder, or you can use it for your badge as well. If you guys can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, here's what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, pretty much inside they do prioritize two of them, and both of them are the same. So if I do put it side by side, this is what both of them looks like. So since both of them are the same, let's just take a look at one of them. So here's what the product looks like on this side, and then here's the back. So top part right here, you can see we do have the carabiner option that definitely looks like a high quality carabiner. So all you need to do is clip this onto your jacket, your shirt, or anywhere else. And for this part right here, they do have the brand name or the logo on here. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel pretty high quality. The bottom part right here, we do have the retractable option. So let's do pull it. You can see the cable that's on here is pretty high quality, and it does go pretty far. That is the furthest it can go. But right underneath that, we do have the two options, one for keychain and then one for the actual badge. So if you guys do have a badge, you guys can feel free to use it on here. But really cool, the cable that's on here is actually very high quality. It's like a steel material, so it's much more high quality than other brands. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, maybe if you guys want to carry keys or whatever, you definitely have the option available on here. And it's actually very convenient, so that way you can clip it onto your shirt, your pants, your jacket, or anywhere else, and just pull this part right here to actually badge in or whatever. Like when I feel the material that's on here compared to many other ones that I've viewed in the past or tested in the past, this one definitely feels very high quality and very sturdy. And I love how they do give you guys two of them, so that way I do have a backup one just in case if anything happens. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality retractable keychain option that also give you guys a badge option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.